In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upload a customer list into QuickBooks Online, a task you can complete in just a few minutes. Whether you're transitioning from another accounting platform or simply updating your records, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online by clicking the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Once you've clicked on Sign In, choose QuickBooks Online if prompted. This ensures you're in the right version of the platform. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. After that, simply click Continue to proceed. This step confirms your identity and gives you access to all your financial data. Next, we'll head over to the settings, which can be found in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click on the gear icon and select Import Data. This will take you to a section where you can manage various types of records, including customers, vendors, and more. Once you are in the Import Data section, focus on selecting the Customers option under the record type. Choosing Customers tells QuickBooks that you intend to upload a list associated with your clientele, allowing the system to treat the data accordingly. With the record type set to Customers, you can now click on the Import button. This action signifies that you're ready to introduce new data into the system. Before you proceed further, ensure your customer data is organized in a CSV format, which is the accepted file type for QuickBooks imports. Now comes the part where you choose the actual file you want to upload. Click on the option to browse your computer and select the appropriate CSV file containing your customer list. Make sure your CSV is correctly formatted according to QuickBooks guidelines to prevent any upload hiccups. The next step involves mapping out the data fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This is crucial for ensuring that each piece of information lands in the right place. For example, customer names in your CSV should align with the name fields in QuickBooks, while addresses should map to address fields, and so on. Finally, once you've verified the field mapping and everything looks correct, click on the Import button. This prompts QuickBooks to begin importing your data. Depending on the size of your customer list, this could take a few moments, but once it's complete, your customer information will be successfully integrated into QuickBooks Online. Congratulations, you've now successfully imported your customer list into QuickBooks Online, and your client data should reflect the latest updates. Remember, keeping your records accurate and up to date is key to leveraging the full potential of your accounting software. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in streamlining your QuickBooks experience.